China and Turkey are among the G20 member countries that are likely to skip the tourism working group meeting next week in Srinagar, while several other countries will have low-level participation in the event. The meeting is scheduled to take place in Srinagar on May 22nd to 24th. Indian daily Hindustan Times reported that several other countries, both G20 member states and guest countries invited by India to be part of the G20 process, are expected to have low-level participation at the meet in Srinagar. All-party Hurriyat Conference has urged the people for a complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir on May 22nd against the hosting of the G20 meeting in Srinagar by the Narendra Modi-led BJP Indian government. The call for the strike has also been supported by Azad Jammu and Kashmir government, political leadership and parties of Azad Kashmir and Pakistan, while the Kashmiri diaspora will hold anti-India protest rallies and demonstrations in the world capitals. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Senior Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the participation in the G20 meeting in the United Nations designated disputed territory is tantamount to supporting Indian crimes and justify Indian deceitful occupation and illegal actions in the territory. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Kashmiri hope that G20 member states who believe in the supremacy of human rights will not rub the salt on already bleeding wounds of the oppressed Kashmiris. Narendra Modi-led Hindutva government of India cannot hide the reality about the worsening situation in occupied Kashmir by distorting the truth and twisting the facts through its propaganda machinery based on lies and deceptions. The political analyst said that the Modi regime is holding the G20 event in Srinagar to try to show the world that a new era of the so-called peace and development has started, especially after 2019 illegal scrapping of the Article 370. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has strongly condemned the Indian Army's raid on the houses of illegally detained senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabbir Ahmed Shah in Srinagar and termed it as the worst example of state terrorism. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad today, deplored that the Indian forces had terrorized the family members of Shabbir Ahmed Shah and vandalized the property, leaving everything upside down. Indian forces have launched a cordon and search operation in Poonch district. A joint team of the Indian Army and police launched the cordon and search operation in the district. The operation was going on till the last reports came in. Indian forces have launched a cordon and search operation in Poonch district. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that by holding a G20 meeting in Kashmir, the authorities are trying to present a picture of normalcy to the international community. Mehbooba Mufti, talking to reporters in Srinagar, said people are being harassed. Agencies like the NIA, the SIA and the SIU are carrying out daily raids. Schools have been shut down for 10 days while the shopkeepers have been told to keep their shops open. Protest demonstrations, rallies and sit-ins under the auspices of the Pasbane-Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir are continuing against the highly controversial G20 meetings to be held in the occupied Kashmir. After Muzaffarabad and Poonch divisions, there was a strong protest in Mirpur division today. A protest rally was organized in Mirpur University under the auspices of Pasbane-Hurriyat to appeal for the boycott of the G20 meetings.